All right, so if you're working with data but struggling to actually get useful insights, yeah, that's where Grok AI can help a lot. In this video, I'll show you how to use it for data analysis step by step. First, quick idea, Grok can analyze data, find patterns, explain trends, and turn everything into simple insights. Start with clean data. You can paste your data set or describe it clearly, like sales numbers, user data, or performance metrics. Next, ask for a clear analysis. Prompt, analyze this dataset and identify key trends, patterns, and anomalies. Go deeper, ask it to break down insights into categories like growth, decline, and opportunities. Use Grok to understand trends over time. Prompt, identify trends and explain what is increasing, decreasing, and why. You can also ask for predictions based on the data patterns. Prompt, based on this data, predict future trends and possible outcomes. Ask for summaries or simple explanations. So insights are easy to understand. Don't stop at analysis. Turn insights into decisions. Prompt, based on these insights, suggest actions to improve performance. Here's the pro move. Refine everything. Ask Grok to explain deeper, simplify, or focus on specific metrics. So yeah, once you use Grok like this, data becomes way easier to understand and actually useful. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.